Here we have a problem on logarithm. Okay, let's read the question. If 2 log x is equal to 4 log 3, find the value of x. So we have an equation that is 2 log x is equal to 4 log 3. So in this equation we have to solve for x, that is we have to find the value of x. So what I am going to do is I am going to use the third fundamental law, that is n log m is equal to log m to the power of n. So whenever we have some number multiplied by the logarithm, that number can be taken as exponent for the argument. So the same thing I am going to do here in this equation on both sides. So this 2 will become exponent of this x, this 4 will become exponent of this 3. Then I get log x to the power of 2 is equal to log 3 to the power of 4. And for both the logarithms the base is not given. So if the base is not given, we have to understand there is common logarithmic base 10. Here 2 logarithms are equal with the same base 10. If 2 logarithms are equal with the same base, then the arguments must be equal. So that is x square is equal to 3 to the power of 4. Okay, my aim is to get the value of x. I don't need this exponent 2. So I am moving this exponent 2 to the right side of the equation. If it is moved to the right side of the equation, it will become its reciprocal, that is 3 to the power of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 2. Okay, now the base is 3, the first exponent is 4. For the whole thing we have the exponent 1/2. Now what we can do is we can multiply these two exponents. So x is equal to 3 to the power of 4 times 1/2. So 2 goes into 2 1 times, 2 goes into 4 2 times. So we get x is equal to 3 square, and the value of 3 square is nothing but 9. So now we have solved for x, that is the value of x is 9.